Rocket Lab, a comprehensive analysis of 10 years of innovation and future prospects in the aerospace industry. Overview and founding. Rocket Lab, established in 2006 by Peter Beck, is an innovative aerospace company dedicated to delivering affordable launch solutions for small satellites. The company gained prominence with its Electron rocket designed to provide cost-effective launches at approximately $5 million, significantly reducing the cost compared to traditional launch services. Rocket Lab's mission is to democratize access to space, similar to the transformative impact the Ford Model T had on the automobile industry. Growth strategy and market position. Rocket Lab's growth strategy focuses on increasing launch frequency, advancing technological capabilities, and broadening its customer base. The company has established itself within the small satellite launch sector, leveraging its rapid deployment capabilities and proprietary technology to gain a competitive edge. The Electron rocket has become a preferred choice for clients requiring reliable access to low Earth orbit (LEO). In an industry populated by competitors like SpaceX and Blue Origin, Rocket Lab differentiates itself through its specialized technology and customer-centric approach, significantly reducing launch turnaround times from years to weeks. This focus on efficiency and reliability positions Rocket Lab as a strong contender in the burgeoning aerospace sector. Technological innovations. Over the past decade, Rocket Lab has emphasized vertical integration, overseeing the entire process from design to launch. This strategy enhances operational efficiency and quality control, allowing Rocket Lab to maintain high standards in its services. The company is also investing in reusability and advanced propulsion technologies, critical for sustaining its competitive advantage as the aerospace landscape evolves. Current industry trends. The increasing demand for small satellite launches is a notable trend that favors Rocket Lab. Applications range from Earth observation to global internet services, creating vast market potential. Concurrently, sustainability has become a priority, propelling Rocket Lab to adopt greener technologies and practices. The company's initiatives to reduce carbon emissions and incorporate reusable components align with this growing emphasis on environmental responsibility. The competitive landscape is intensifying as more private companies enter the sector, necessitating continuous innovation for Rocket Lab to maintain its advantageous market position. Challenges and future prospects. Rocket Lab faces several challenges, including regulatory hurdles, complexities in supply chain management, and the need to adapt to rapid technological advancements. As environmental concerns gain traction, the company must enhance its sustainability efforts to mitigate the impact of space launches. Future opportunities for Rocket Lab include expanding service offerings and forming strategic partnerships to penetrate new markets. The company aims to broaden its international footprint, particularly in the Asia-Pacific and European regions. Timeline of key events. 2006, Rocket Lab is founded by Peter Beck. 2009, the company successfully launches the Adia-1, marking the first private company to reach space in the Southern Hemisphere. 2017, the Electron rocket is launched, marking a significant milestone in affordable satellite launches. 2020, Rocket Lab announces plans for the Neutron rocket, targeting larger payloads and expanding its launch capabilities. 2023, the company remains focused on increasing launch frequency and developing sustainable technologies. Conclusion. Rocket Lab's innovative approach, robust market position, and forward-thinking strategies position it for substantial growth in the aerospace industry. By addressing current trends and future challenges while leveraging its competitive advantages, Rocket Lab is poised to play a crucial role in the evolving landscape of space exploration and satellite deployment. Sources analysis. 1. Reddit discussion, an analysis of Rocket Lab's business model, growth strategy, and market position, highlighting its focus on small satellite launches and the competitive landscape. 2. Canvas business model blog, detailed insights into Rocket Lab's operational strategies, competitive advantages, and industry trends affecting its growth prospects. 3. Rocket Lab official updates. Information on the company's technological innovations, including the Electron rocket and its vision for transforming the space industry. This report encapsulates a decade of Rocket Lab's evolution, examining its place in the aerospace industry and outlining its path forward amidst challenges and opportunities. As the company continues to innovate and adapt, it remains a significant player in the quest for accessible space travel and satellite deployment. Counterintuitive information in Rocket Lab's strategy and industry positioning. 1. Cost reduction versus market pricing. While Rocket Lab's Electron rocket is marketed at a cost of around $5 million per launch, which is significantly cheaper than traditional launch services, this pricing strategy may seem counterintuitive given the high costs traditionally associated with space launches. It challenges the notion that advanced aerospace technology must come with high price tags, suggesting that innovation can drive costs down while still ensuring profitability. 2. Rapid deployment advantage. The idea that space launches can be both rapid and reliable is often viewed as contradictory. Traditionally, the aerospace industry has been characterized by lengthy preparation and launch timelines often taking years. Rocket Lab's ability to reduce the lead time from years to weeks for satellite launches contradicts this industry norm, emphasizing a shift towards more agile operational models in aerospace. 3. Sustainability in high-tech industries. In many high-tech industries, the focus on sustainability is often seen as a secondary concern due to the resource-intensive nature of technology development. However, Rocket Lab integrates sustainability into its core operational strategies, aiming to reduce carbon emissions and implement reusable technologies. This proactive approach to environmental responsibility is counterintuitive to the common perception that high-tech firms prioritize innovation and profit over ecological concerns. 4. Competition from smaller players. The aerospace sector has been dominated by large companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, which are often perceived as having an unassailable market position due to their size and funding. However, Rocket Lab, a smaller player specializing in small satellite launches, challenges this assumption by successfully carving out a niche market. This suggests that specialized focus and agility can allow smaller firms to compete effectively against larger incumbents. 5. Vertical integration versus outsourcing. In many industries, companies often outsource components to reduce costs and focus on core competencies. Rocket Lab's approach of vertical integration, controlling the entire process from design to launch, might seem counterintuitive in an era of globalization and outsourcing. Yet this strategy enhances quality control and operational efficiency, allowing Rocket Lab to maintain a competitive edge. 6. Market demand for small satellites. The prevailing assumption in the aerospace sector has been that larger satellites are essential for effective space missions. However, the growing demand for small satellite launches counters this by highlighting that smaller, more efficient satellites can meet many modern needs. Rocket Lab capitalizes on this trend, which contradicts traditional beliefs about satellite size and capability. 7. Environmental impact versus space exploration. The belief that space exploration inherently contributes to environmental degradation is commonly held. Rocket Lab's initiatives to develop greener technologies and minimize the environmental impact of launches present a counterintuitive narrative, suggesting that space exploration can be pursued sustainably. 8. Emerging markets for aerospace. The assumption that the aerospace market is primarily dominated by Western countries is being challenged as Rocket Lab seeks to expand its footprint in emerging markets like Asia-Pacific and Europe. This indicates a shift in focus that may be unexpected given the historical dominance of established aerospace powers. 9. Reusability as a differentiator. While reusability has been a significant trend in the aerospace industry, Rocket Lab's emphasis on developing reusable components for its rockets may seem counterintuitive given the initial investment required. However, this strategy positions Rocket Lab to significantly reduce costs in the long term, challenging the conventional belief that only larger firms can afford to invest in such technologies. 10. Public perception of commercial space ventures. The public often sees commercial space ventures as elitist and only accessible to wealthy corporations. Rocket Lab's mission to democratize access to space counters this perception, suggesting that advancements in technology can indeed make space access more equitable and available to a broader range of players, including smaller companies and educational institutions. By addressing these counterintuitive aspects, Rocket Lab not only positions itself as a leader in the aerospace industry but also redefines existing narratives about space exploration market dynamics. And environmental responsibility. Important content in the report on Rocket Lab. 1. Democratization of space access. One of the most significant but often overlooked aspects of Rocket Lab's mission is its commitment to democratizing access to space. This is achieved through the development of the Electron rocket, which is designed to launch small satellites at a fraction of the cost of traditional launch vehicles. The idea that Rocket Lab aims to replicate the impact that the Ford Model T had on the automotive industry is crucial. It highlights not just the technological innovation but also the socio-economic implications of making space more accessible. This democratization can lead to increased innovation in satellite technology, new applications in various sectors like agriculture, climate monitoring, and global communication, and the potential for more players in the small satellite market. 2. Vertical integration. Rocket Lab's vertical integration strategy is another significant point that may go unnoticed. By controlling the entire process from design to launch, Rocket Lab is able to ensure quality, reduce lead times, and maintain operational efficiency. This approach is critical in an industry where delays and quality issues can be costly. The ability to streamline operations and maintain quality control can give Rocket Lab a substantial competitive advantage, allowing it to respond quickly to customer demands and adapt to changing market conditions. 3. Technological investment in reusability. The focus on reusability within Rocket Lab's technological innovations is significant as it addresses one of the key challenges in the aerospace industry: cost-effectiveness. While many competitors are investing heavily in reusable rockets like SpaceX with its Falcon 9, Rocket Lab's commitment to developing its own reusable technologies can significantly lower the cost per launch. The significance lies in how this reusability could further democratize space access by making launches cheaper and more frequent, thereby accelerating the pace of innovation in satellite deployment and space exploration. 4. Sustainability initiatives. Rocket Lab's initiatives towards sustainability and reducing the carbon footprint of space launches are crucial in today's climate-conscious environment. While many reports focus on technological advancements, the emphasis on sustainability is often overshadowed. As environmental regulations tighten globally and consumers become more eco-conscious, companies that prioritize sustainable practices are likely to thrive. Rocket Lab's proactive approach to environmental responsibility not only positions it favorably with regulators but also aligns with the values of an increasingly eco-aware customer base. 5. Market expansion potential. The report touches on Rocket Lab's plans for market expansion, particularly in emerging markets. This is significant because it illustrates the company's strategic foresight in recognizing the global demand for small satellite launches. By expanding its footprint in regions like Asia-Pacific and Europe, Rocket Lab can tap into new customer bases and diversify its revenue streams. This expansion could also lead to international partnerships, further enhancing its capabilities and market reach. Understanding the dynamics of these emerging markets can provide insights into future growth trajectories for Rocket Lab. 6. Regulatory challenges. The mention of regulatory hurdles is often a minor point in analyses but is a major challenge that can impede growth and innovation in the aerospace sector. Rocket Lab must navigate complex international space laws and regulations which can vary significantly by country. This aspect is significant because it affects timelines, costs, and the ability to conduct launches. Companies that can effectively manage regulatory challenges are likely to have a smoother operational flow and can capitalize on market opportunities more swiftly. 7. Competitive landscape. The competitive analysis often focuses on direct competitors like SpaceX and Blue Origin, but an important angle is Rocket Lab's unique positioning in the small satellite launch sector. There is a need to recognize that while these larger players dominate the market for larger payloads, Rocket Lab's specialization in small satellite launches allows it to target a niche that is rapidly growing. This focus can lead to a more stable business model. As the demand for small satellite launches continues to increase with advancements in technology and applications. Why these points are significant. The points highlighted above are significant because they reveal the underlying strategies and market dynamics that could influence Rocket Lab's future growth. Democratization of space access. This concept underscores the transformative potential of Rocket Lab's work, suggesting that its innovations could lead to widespread benefits across various sectors and encourage new entrants into the space industry. Vertical integration. By mastering its supply chain and production processes, Rocket Lab can mitigate risks associated with external suppliers, enhance its agility in responding to market demands, and maintain a high level of quality in its services. Technological investment in reusability. As the industry moves towards more sustainable practices, Rocket Lab's focus on reusability could set the company apart as a leader in cost-effective launches, thereby attracting a broader range of clients. Sustainability initiatives. In an era where corporate responsibility is increasingly scrutinized, Rocket Lab's commitment to sustainability could enhance its reputation and marketability, making it a preferred partner for environmentally conscious clients. Market expansion potential. Understanding the global landscape and identifying emerging markets can provide Rocket Lab with avenues for growth that competitors may overlook, positioning it as a forward-thinking leader in the industry. Regulatory challenges. Awareness and proactive management of regulatory environments can determine the success or failure of aerospace companies. Rocket Lab's ability to navigate these waters effectively is crucial for long-term sustainability. Competitive landscape. Recognizing the unique niche that Rocket Lab occupies allows stakeholders to appreciate its strengths and strategic direction, which may not be as apparent when focusing solely on larger competitors. In conclusion, while the report provides a comprehensive overview of Rocket Lab's achievements and strategies, it is the nuanced understanding of these overlooked elements that can provide deeper insights into the company's potential and the evolving landscape of the aerospace industry. 1. Innovative launch solutions. Rocket Lab's primary innovation lies in its Electron rocket, engineered for cost-effective launches of small satellites at approximately $5 million per launch, significantly lower than traditional launch services. This focus on affordability and rapid deployment aims to democratize access to space, akin to the transformation seen in the automotive industry with the Ford Model T. The innovation not only provides a competitive edge but also caters to the escalating demand for small satellite launches across various applications, including Earth observation and global Internet access. 2. Growth strategy and market position. Rocket Lab's growth strategy is centered around enhancing launch frequency, expanding technological capabilities, and broadening its customer base. By specializing in the small satellite launch sector, Rocket Lab has established itself as a key player, competing with industry giants like SpaceX and Blue Origin. Its approach emphasizes vertical integration, allowing for improved operational efficiency and quality control, thus meeting customer demands for quick and reliable access to low Earth orbit (LEO). This strategic positioning enables Rocket Lab to exploit the increasing market for satellite deployment effectively. 3. Technological advancements and sustainability. Rocket Lab is committed to continuous technological advancements, focusing on reusability and advanced propulsion technologies. The company's investments in research and development aim to enhance rocket performance and reduce environmental impact. As sustainability becomes a critical concern in aerospace, Rocket Lab's initiatives to incorporate greener technologies and practices align with industry trends, thus positioning the company favorably among environmentally conscious clients and stakeholders. 4. Challenges and future opportunities. Despite its successes, Rocket Lab faces several challenges, including competition from larger players, navigating regulatory hurdles, and managing supply chain complexities. The need for ongoing innovation is paramount to address these challenges. Future opportunities for Rocket Lab include expanding its service offerings, establishing strategic partnerships, and tapping into emerging markets, particularly in Asia-Pacific and Europe. By leveraging its competitive advantages and adapting to market demands, Rocket Lab is poised for significant growth in the evolving landscape of space exploration and satellite deployment. 1. NASA's Apollo program 1961–1972. The Apollo program was a groundbreaking initiative by NASA aimed at landing humans on the Moon and safely returning them to Earth. It marked a significant achievement in space exploration and showcased the U.S.'s technological prowess during the Cold War. The program's innovations included the development of the Saturn V rocket, advanced life support systems, and lunar landing technology. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969, which successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the lunar surface, became a defining moment in human history. The program not only achieved its primary goal of lunar exploration but also fostered technological advancements that had widespread applications on Earth. 2. SpaceX's Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 launches 2006-present. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, revolutionized the aerospace industry with its Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets. Falcon 1 was the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit in 2008, paving the way for future commercial spaceflight and satellite deployment. The Falcon 9, introduced in 2010, further transformed the industry by incorporating reusable technology, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. SpaceX's emphasis on rapid launch capabilities and innovative technology has set a new standard in the aerospace sector, similar to Rocket Lab's approach to small satellite launches. 3. Blue Origin's New Shepard program 2015-present, founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000. Blue Origin has been a key player in the development of reusable rocket technology, primarily through its New Shepard program. Launched in 2015, New Shepard is designed for suborbital flight and aims to make space tourism a reality. The program has successfully completed multiple flights, demonstrating the viability of reusable systems and advancing research in microgravity environments. Blue Origin's philosophy of making space more accessible resonates with Rocket Lab's mission to democratize access to space, highlighting the shift towards commercial space ventures and innovative technologies in the aerospace industry. Future outlook: Rocket Lab's predictions for the next decade. As Rocket Lab enters the next decade, the aerospace industry is poised for transformative growth driven by technological advancements, increased demand for satellite launches, and a global push towards sustainable practices. Here are key predictions for Rocket Lab's future. 1. Expansion of launch frequencies and capacity. Rocket Lab is expected to significantly increase its launch frequency, with projections suggesting growth from dozens to potentially hundreds of launches annually. The introduction of the Neutron rocket will play a crucial role in this expansion, allowing Rocket Lab to handle larger payloads and compete directly with established players like SpaceX. By diversifying its launch capabilities, Rocket Lab aims to cater to a broader range of customers, from commercial satellite operators to governmental space agencies. 2. Technological innovations and advancements. The next decade will likely see Rocket Lab focusing heavily on technological innovation. This includes advancements in reusable rocket technology to lower costs and minimize environmental impact. Enhanced propulsion systems and streamlined manufacturing processes will improve efficiency and reliability. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in flight operations and mission planning can also be anticipated, enhancing precision and reducing turnaround times. 3. Sustainability as a core focus. With growing concerns about environmental impacts, Rocket Lab is expected to prioritize sustainability. The company will likely invest in developing greener technologies, including alternative fuels and more efficient launch processes. Initiatives such as carbon offset programs and partnerships with environmental organizations could be pursued to enhance its reputation as a leader in sustainable aerospace practices. 4. Global market expansion. Rocket Lab is poised to expand its global footprint, targeting emerging markets in Asia-Pacific, Europe, and other regions. Establishing additional launch sites in strategic locations will help reduce costs and improve access for international clients. Collaborations with foreign governments and partnerships with local space agencies may also facilitate entry into new markets and broaden its customer base. 5. Increased demand for small satellite launches. As the small satellite market continues to grow, driven by applications in Earth observation, telecommunications, and scientific research, Rocket Lab stands to benefit immensely. With its specialized focus on small satellite launches, the company is well positioned to capture a significant share of this expanding market. By offering customizable solutions and rapid deployment capabilities, Rocket Lab can attract a diverse range of customers. 6. Diversification of services. Beyond satellite launches, Rocket Lab is expected to diversify its service offerings over the next decade. This may include entering new markets such as space tourism, lunar missions, or satellite servicing and debris removal. These new services could create additional revenue streams and solidify Rocket Lab's position as a comprehensive aerospace provider. 7. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. The aerospace sector will see increased collaboration among companies, governments, and research institutions. Rocket Lab is likely to pursue strategic partnerships to enhance its technological capabilities and market reach. Collaborations with satellite manufacturers, academic institutions, and government agencies can lead to joint ventures and co-development opportunities that leverage shared expertise. 8. Navigating regulatory landscapes. As Rocket Lab expands, it will face evolving regulatory challenges. The company must navigate complex international regulations governing space launches and satellite operations. Proactively engaging with regulatory bodies and advocating for clear guidelines will be crucial for maintaining operational efficiency and compliance. 9. Focus on defense and national security. Given the increasing strategic importance of space, Rocket Lab may deepen its involvement in national defense and security missions. This could involve partnerships with government agencies for satellite launches related to national security, surveillance, and communication. Expanding into this sector could provide significant opportunities for growth and diversification. 10. Resilience against competition. As competition intensifies, particularly from established players like SpaceX and emerging startups, Rocket Lab will need to continually innovate and adapt its strategies. Focusing on its unique offerings such as rapid deployment and customer-centric services will be essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Conclusion. Rocket Lab's future is bright, with numerous opportunities for growth and innovation in the aerospace industry. By leveraging its technological strengths, expanding its service offerings, and focusing on sustainability, Rocket Lab is well positioned to become a leader in the next phase of space exploration and satellite deployment. The coming decade will be critical for the company as it navigates challenges, embraces opportunities, and solidifies its role in a rapidly evolving industry.